Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to connect Salesforce to Claude in a simple and easy way. So this is helpful if you want Claude to assist with Salesforce data, such as summarizing records, finding patterns, creating reports, or helping you understand important information faster. So to start, open Salesforce in your browser and sign in to the account where your data is stored, and make sure that you're using the correct amount, especially if you manage more than one workspace or organization. You do not need to change anything inside Salesforce right now. Just keep it ready because Claude will access it through a connector. Next, open Claude in another tab and sign into your account. Once you are on the Claude dashboard, look for the settings or customize area. And from there, find the connectors section. This is where you can add outside tools that allow Claude to work with other platforms. Now, click Browse Connectors and use search bar to look for Windsor AI. So when Windsor AI appears, click on it, then select Add. Windsor AI works as the bridge between Salesforce and Claude, and it helps connect your Salesforce data to Claude in a more organized and permission-based way. So after the connection is added, go back to the main Claude chat area and start a new conversation. You can now type prompts related to your Salesforce data. So for example, you can ask Claude to summarize records, check trends, create reports, or explain key details from your information. So once everything is connected, Claude can help you work with Salesforce data faster and more clearly. Thank you so much for watching. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button below, and I'll see you on the next video.